Hello, Vanessa and Leslie. Okay, so this video is just to show you guys how to create screenshots from the web site and convert and using Microsoft Word to convert them and save them out. So I'm sending you two videos. One of them is how to make a cropped screenshot on Windows. It's a little different than it is on Mac, and I'm on a Mac. On Mac, it's Control Shift 4. I think it's Control Shift something else. I sent you the video. There's a guy that explains how to do cropped area screenshots on Windows. So just you'll go through that one first. I'm going to start doing it on here. All right. So on a Mac, I'm going to just hit Command Shift 4, and you're going to see I'm going to get these crosshairs. Okay. So we want to get this header image first because we do have the header image of the elephant on the practice area print screen PDFs. Okay. So wherever I sort of crop into where my crosshairs are, you heard the camera sound. Now it took a picture of that area. Okay. So now we go into Microsoft Word, and we're going to insert it at the top here. You're going to want to pull your margins out if you don't want a white space all around, like the image. So you're going to pull these all the way over to the edge. And this way the image will go to the full edge. And you same thing with the up and down side here, the vertical side. All right, so then you're going to go up to Insert. Then you go to Picture, then From File. On my machine, I had my screenshots set to go to a folder called Screenshots. You could have yours on Windows go to anywhere you want. I think they go to the snippet folder by default, but you could set them to go anywhere. So here's my top screenshot that I just took. I'm going to go ahead and insert that. And you can see that it inserted in nice. Now it's not all the way to the edge, so you might want to pull that over. You can play with that. You can play with the margins. The margin will get it over. I think I didn't pull this over enough, but I'll just leave that for now. And then make sure your cursor is underneath the picture. Right now it's on top. Okay, so let's put it underneath because we're going to want to insert the next thing in this area. So yeah, now you can see my cursor is here. All right, so now let's go ahead and take a screenshot of the body copy. Now some of these you're going to have to do multiple screenshots because these pages are long. You have to scroll down. So that's pretty self-explanatory. You'll just have to make, in Word, it just keeps adding more pages automatically if it's a 2-page PDF. I'll just do a 1-page one for now to keep this video down in length. So I'm only going to maybe shoot I'll screenshot maybe up to like this line here. So we make it 1 page, all right? So Command Shift 4 on a Mac. I'm going to screenshot all of that up to right there. Okay. And now I'm going to insert it in underneath the header image. Again, make sure your cursor is underneath or the blinking cursor. So go ahead and go up to Menu, up to Insert, Picture, From File, and here is my second screenshot. Let's insert that in. And there you go. Now it's a little close to the edge, so you might want to, pull that over. You just those edges you could just pull. And now sometimes it's stubborn and it snaps to the left, so it keeps scaling only from one side. So then, with this selected, you could pull the margin or the indent in just so it affects this image. So you see now it just moved it on from that side. So that's pretty much it. We might want to fix this a little bit and pull that out so it goes past the, past. Let's see. Let's make that go past. Sorry, I'm just trying to get rid of that white space there. All right, so it's being a little stubborn. It's not letting me get that white area out. So I know this. You just have to pull that. There's a way to do that. That might not bother you guys, but anyhow, let me go ahead and save this out so I could show you the save out process. If maybe we could do an overall crop and crop the whole thing to get rid of that white box at the end if it bothers you. Again, I'm doing all this in Photoshop, so yeah, let's move that home signal over. There you go. So now you're ready to export the PDF. You go up to File, File, Save As. And then in Format, you're just going to go to PDF. All right, I'll save it to my desktop. We'll name it Test PDF. Save it out. All right, and let's see how that looks. And there you go. So yeah, actually it looks like Word is adding a slight border to begin with, but actually it's maybe not bad. It's kind of nice because then when someone goes to print that, yeah, I'm not sure. We might have to look into if you want to lose that border, but maybe that doesn't bother you guys. Mine go to the full edge, but maybe Word doesn't allow that. We'll have to look into that. But here's your PDF, and that's pretty much it. The next thing is you're gonna have to upload it and replace, because here at the bottom we have this print button, and basically you upload an image, and it gives you, a path, the image path. So we'll have to. Well, here I'll just show you how to do that. We could just do that now. I'll show you how to replace the PDF. Okay, so let's log in. You know how to log in. We go back to home, WP-admin. All right, let's go to real estate, and I'm going to replace it temporarily, and then I'll put it back. But let's go to practice areas, real estate. All right, so we're on this page. We see the print button there. We're going to go to edit. And if you go down, you'll see in your code, it's the last thing on the page, so that's where the last code is. So this whole entire code right here, this deals with the print page button. Not this right here is the back button to go to back to the main practice areas. So we need to replace this link, all right? But what we first have to do is upload the new PDF, so it gives us a link so we know what to replace. So you're gonna go up to Media Gallery, then you're gonna go to Add New, select the file from your desktop or wherever you have it. I know mine is right here. There's our test PDF. You'll see it upload. Unfortunately, PDF doesn't give you the preview in Word, so you'll have to just make sure it's the right one. So to get the path that you want to update in the button, you click on it, and then here's the path. You don't need the whole thing. It's actually safer to get it right after the .com. In case you ever change the name or anything like that, it's going to be a little better to do that. So just get from WP-content. You can get the whole path if you want, or the whole URL. It's not going to affect it, but I like doing just after the .com. Get that, and then go up to edit copy. So now we're ready to go back to the real estate page. Okay, and so here is the link. You have to stay within the 2 quotes. Okay, I'm going to paste that in. Okay, and then once I hit save or update, we will see that the new PDF should be in there. I'm going to put this back, by the way, after I'm done. So let's go to View Page, and let's see if it has our half PDF, and there it is. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell on how to create your own PDF. Again, if this white border bothers you guys, then I'll have to look into how to do that in Word. Maybe Word doesn't have the capability. Again, I'm using a high-end program. I'm using Photoshop. So this is the most simplest way that I could think of to show you guys how to do this without learning Photoshop, which is a really, intricate and in-depth program to learn. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Hopefully the first video I send you with the other guy telling you how to screenshot in Word, or in Windows rather, is clear. If not, it's the other way is to do Command Print Screen. There's a print screen button, but that's going to give you your whole screen. So we're going to have to figure out on Windows how to do this, which is the the area or the cropped screenshot. But the video that I sent with the first guy should demonstrate that and get you through that. Because you're going to have to do things in pieces. For the practice or for the attorney pages, you might have to do the sidebar separate, and get it on certain pages. So it's a little bit of piecemealing. That's the process, and I'd be more than happy to do these for you guys each time, too. So if this is a little daunting, then let me know. But hopefully you guys seem to learn everything else really fast, so it shouldn't be a problem. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.